It wouldn't make sense if you turned on something in one room and it turned on everywhere else. But that's exactly how traditional cooling and heating systems work, so you pay more than you should. But Mitsubishi electric systems give you a better way, with no waste and lower energy bills. Control temperatures precisely in one or every room with no new ductwork, so everyone can enjoy ultimate personal comfort. Mitsubishi Electric. Make yourself comfortable.
For worry-free installation and expert service of top brand ductless mini splits, call the pros at Denommee Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Our name and reputation are on everything we do.
Denommee is to love me.